Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can easily open TikTok with the sound off. Please subscribe to the channel, don't forget to put your likes, write your comments. And let's get started. So, if you go into the TikTok app, you'll always have sound on your video here. But there are times when the sound on a video can be disturbing to others. But you still want to watch TikTok or other situations. And in order not to completely mute the sound on your phone, there is another way. So, for this, we're going to need to go to our profile. Here at the top, we click on the three bars to go to the menu. Next, we're going to select Settings. Here we're going to scroll down until we find the playback section. And as you can see, we have a feature here to open TikTok without sound. We can turn that on. And then, if we exit TikTok and we log back in, we'll see that we've got this sign at the bottom here, which shows that the sound in TikTok is turned off. And if you want to turn it off, this function, then you just have to click on that icon. And as you can see, we now have sound playing in TikTok again. That's how easy it is to open TikTok with the sound turned off. Be sure to put likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.